Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bowmaker. Today I'm going to show you a really fun way to use all your scraps of ribbon that you have laying around and turn it into a beautiful bow. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm going to cut a piece that's long enough so that I can fold it in half, lay it into my Bowdabra, and tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. So we'll just do that there. Then I'm going to take my first piece. Now I've dovetailed all the ends already because I figured you probably didn't want to watch me dovetail. Bring that so it's centered. And I'll fold this one in half also so it's centered. And we're just going to keep going, and I'm shaping as I go. So again, fold it in half, make sure I'm in the center. And take this one, and I'm just, like I said, I'm just kind of shaping it as I go. So these ones could almost be like tails here. And then I'll take this, fold it in half, and center. So this is a fabulous way to use up all the scraps that you might have laying around. Or you can just cut new pieces and make a really beautiful bow, because nobody would assume that you're just using scraps of ribbon. And put that there, and then lay this going this direction. And now I'll take my chiffon, lay that down, and take my rose ribbon and lay that. And also, please make sure that you follow us on Facebook and like us on, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll get notifications whenever we do a live on Monday nights at 4 p.m. Pacific and 7 p.m. Eastern. We'll do a live on Mondays, and then on also every week we have a new video that drops. So make sure that you follow us and subscribe to us so you'll know when our new how-to videos come out. So now I'm just going to pull this through. Pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. Pull it out. I'm going to separate my ends and bring it around to the back. And I'm just going to tie a knot and tie another knot. And now I'm going to just shape out, bring this up here. And we're just shaping it by pulling everything in kind of opposite directions while I'm holding the bow down on the table. It's much easier to do it that way because it lets you really pull the pieces in different directions. And we'll bring this over here, bring this here, and bring that. So it's a little bit of fighting with it to make sure it goes the way you want it. But I think it's so worth it when you're finished to have this absolutely beautiful bow. And wasn't that so super simple to make? Thank you so much for watching. And also don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next video.